Welcome to episode 9 of our podcast, where we will be exploring the topic of technology in food production. In this episode, we will be discussing three major areas of innovation in the food industry: vertical farming and urban agriculture, precision agriculture and smart farming technologies, and alternative protein sources. We will be diving into each of these topics, examining the ways in which new technologies are transforming the way we grow and produce our food. Through our discussion, we hope to provide you with insights into the potential benefits and drawbacks of these technologies, and to shed light on the impacts they may have on the future of the food industry. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the world of technology in food production in episode 9 of our podcast.
Tell us more about vertical farming and urban agriculture.
Vertical farming and urban agriculture are two related technologies that are emerging as important innovations in the food industry. Vertical farming involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, often in an indoor facility. The plants are usually grown in a soil substitute or hydroponic system, using LED lighting and precise nutrient delivery to optimize growth. This technology can help to increase crop yields and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture by using less water, fertilizer, and pesticides than traditional farming. In addition, vertical farming can help to reduce the distance food needs to travel from farm to table, which can help to reduce carbon emissions associated with transportation. Urban agriculture involves growing food in urban spaces such as rooftops, gardens, and community spaces. This can take many forms, from community gardens to hydroponic systems in warehouses or other indoor facilities. Urban agriculture can help to increase food security in urban areas, which may have limited access to fresh produce. In addition, urban agriculture can help to reduce the carbon footprint of food production by reducing the distance food needs to travel from farm to table. Both vertical farming and urban agriculture have the potential to change the way we grow and produce our food, particularly in urban areas where there may be limited space for traditional agriculture. However, these technologies also come with certain challenges, such as high startup costs, the need for specialized skills and knowledge, and the need to navigate complex regulations and zoning laws. Overall, while there is still much to be learned about the impact of vertical farming and urban agriculture on the food industry, these technologies offer promising solutions to challenges such as food security, sustainability, and climate change.
What are the benefits and drawbacks associated with precision agriculture?
There are several benefits and drawbacks associated with precision agriculture, which is the use of data, sensors, and other technologies to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. Benefits. 1. Increased efficiency. Precision agriculture can help farmers optimize their yields by reducing waste and improving efficiency in the use of resources such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides. 2. Cost savings. By reducing waste and improving efficiency, precision agriculture can help farmers reduce their costs and improve their profitability. 3. Environmental benefits. Precision agriculture can help farmers reduce their environmental impact by reducing the use of resources such as water and pesticides. This can help to protect air and water quality, as well as wildlife habitats. 4. Better decision-making. Precision agriculture can provide farmers with more accurate and timely information about their crops and growing conditions, allowing them to make more informed decisions. Drawbacks. 1. High costs. The upfront costs of precision agriculture can be high, including the cost of sensors, software, and other equipment. 2. Barriers to adoption. Not all farmers may have the technical expertise or infrastructure necessary to adopt precision agriculture technologies. 3. Data management. Precision agriculture generates large amounts of data, which can be difficult to manage and analyze. This requires specialized skills and resources that may not be available to all farmers. 4. Dependence on technology. Precision agriculture relies heavily on technology, which can be vulnerable to issues such as software glitches, network and connectivity problems, and cybersecurity threats. Overall, while precision agriculture offers many benefits, it also comes with certain challenges and may not be suitable for all farmers. Understanding the costs and benefits of precision agriculture is an important step for farmers looking to incorporate these technologies into their operations.
What are some of the alternative protein sources?
There are several alternative protein sources that are gaining popularity in the food industry. Here are a few examples. 1. Lab-grown meat *. Also known as cultured meat or cell-based meat. Lab-grown meat involves creating meat products in a laboratory using animal stem cells. The process involves taking a small sample of muscle tissue from an animal, and then growing the cells in a culture medium to produce muscle tissue. This technology has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of meat production and offer a more sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional meat. 2. Plant-based meat substitutes *. Plant-based meat substitutes are typically made from ingredients such as soy, pea protein, or wheat gluten, and are designed to mimic the taste and texture of meat. Companies such as Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods have gained popularity in recent years for their plant-based meat alternatives, which have the potential to reduce the environmental impact of meat production and provide a more sustainable protein source. 3. Insect protein *. Insect protein involves using insects such as crickets and mealworms as a source of protein. Insects are a highly efficient protein source, requiring much less water and feed than traditional livestock. In addition, insects produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions than traditional livestock, making them a more sustainable alternative. 4. Algae-based protein *. Algae are a highly nutritious and sustainable source of protein, with some strains containing up to 70% protein by weight. Algae can be used to create a variety of protein products, including protein powders and supplements, as well as food products such as pasta, snacks, and beverages. While these alternative protein sources are still relatively new and may not be widely available in all markets, they offer promising alternatives to traditional meat and dairy products. By diversifying our protein sources and reducing our reliance on traditional livestock, we can help to create a more sustainable and ethical food system.
What impact might these technologies have on the future of food production?
It's difficult to predict the exact impact that these technologies might have on the future of food production, but it's clear that they have the potential to disrupt traditional methods and transform the food industry in several significant ways. Here are a few potential impacts that these technologies might have. 1. Increased sustainability. Many of these technologies have the potential to reduce the environmental impact of food production by using fewer resources, reducing waste, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Increased efficiency. Technologies such as precision agriculture and smart farming can help farmers optimize their yields and reduce waste, increasing efficiency and profitability. 3. Greater food security. Alternative protein sources such as insects and lab-grown meat could help to address food security concerns by providing a more sustainable and ethical source of protein. 4. Greater accessibility. Technologies such as vertical farming and urban agriculture could help to make fresh and locally grown produce more accessible to urban populations, potentially reducing food deserts and improving public health. 5. New food products and markets. Alternative protein sources and other new technologies could open up new markets and create new opportunities for food entrepreneurs, as well as giving consumers more options and greater control over their food choices. While there are certainly potential benefits to these technologies, there are also concerns about how they might impact the food industry and society more broadly. For example, some people have raised concerns about the safety and long-term effects of lab-grown meat, or the potential impact of precision agriculture on small farmers. It will be important for researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to carefully consider the implications of these technologies as they continue to advance and develop.
Thank you. I think that brings us to the end of another episode.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to discuss these topics with you. Thank you for another interesting podcast episode, and I look forward to our next conversation.